Alberta steps fully into phase 2. Good evening, I'm Tara Overholt. More COVID-19 restrictions being lifted across the province, from our malls to youth sports and performance programs.
But the situation is changing, and we need to change along with it. We said that we'd complete step 2 when it was safe to do so, and I believe that it now is.
Health Minister Tyler Shandro implementing the rest of the phase 2 reopening plans, boosting capacity at malls and retailers to 25% of fire code, up from 15%.
Starting today, we're also expanding the step 1 restrictions that apply to youth, and including members of college and university athletic programs. Now, this means that lessons, practices, and physical conditioning are allowed for these programs with a maximum of 10 participants in total, including coaches, trainers, and participants.
Participants also have to physically distance and be masked at all times except for actual training.
We're easing restrictions for child, youth, and adult performances so that folks, individuals, and groups can now rehearse and perform in preparation for filming or live streaming of a performance.
This includes singing and dancing, and participants must follow the same guidelines as sport programs. On March 22nd, the province will look at the possibility of moving to stage 3 at the earliest. Shandro says the move comes as case numbers have plateaued and hospitalization numbers are lowering. Today, the province reporting 278 new cases from roughly 5,500 tests for a positivity rate of 5.4%. 6 new variant cases for a total of 659. 254 people are in hospital, 36 in the ICU. 6 new deaths were reported for a total now of 1,920 across Alberta. Over 297,000 doses of the vaccine have been administered, with 91,000 Albertans now fully immunized. And on Wednesday, bookings for the AstraZeneca vaccine will begin to open for Albertans aged 50 to 64 without chronic illnesses, a list that Dr. Hinshaw says is coming.
And I acknowledge that it's not ideal timing as people are trying to make decisions right now, but we will make it available very soon. It's very close to being finalized.
Those with chronic illnesses are part of phase 2B, scheduled to be vaccinated sometime in April.